My name is Ted Tulobuski, and I'm a highway maintenance plow operator for Otter Tail County Highway Department. I love being outside. Yeah, some days I'm in the truck, but it's glass around me and getting to drive the county and see, wildlife everywhere. And yesterday I had a big buck that ran across me on the highway. I was just stoked. It was amazing. Otter Tail County has the benefits for a family. It has the luxury, if you're single, it has everything you would need as far as the hours. There's overtime involved if you need that. It has, just in the county alone, from the highway to office work to recycling. There's a lot of different departments and different places you can work, and depending on what your likes are. The highway department here is very good with being on volunteer fire departments. They realize 90% of our fire departments in this county are all volunteer. We need them. My uncle was a volunteer when I was growing up, and I was always amazed by it. Growing up, I knew I was never going to be a doctor or anything like that, and I feel like it's a big part to give back. And being on the department here in New York Mills, it's allowed me to do that. If we could spend outside all day, every day, we would. My boys and my wife, we love camping, we love fishing, hunting. My boys and I do snowmobiling. My wife doesn't really like the cold all that much, but in the winter, we're in our winter gear and have a little campfire in the backyard. Ice fishing in the winter. Pretty easy to drive to any lake within miles and be on a lake, whether it's for walleyes, crappies, sunnies, northern, choose your battle, What do you want to catch? Go catch it. My favorite part about working for the county, there's many things as far as the flexibility of being able to be there for my boys when it's wrestling season. But they have the pay, they have the benefits, they have what a person needs. So, the work is great. Such a wide variety of driving truck, driving equipment, being outside and filling holes. It doesn't sound very fun, but some days on a nice sunny day, and if you gotta be at work, you might as well be outside and be doing something and enjoying the sun. Wouldn't change it for the world.